welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are keeping fine, not going here and there. Keeping safe, sound and healthy is the most important thing during COVID times, and I hope you all are doing that. So a quick update which is about my family, about my father. My father was tested COVID positive about 10 or 12 days ago, and he was hospitalized for 5 days. He's quite stable now. His oxygen levels really went low, but in urgency we had to shift him to the hospital. Thanks to all my family members and friends who've helped us during these tough times. And he's now doing fine. He's got back home. He's doing okay so far, and I just wish him a speedy recovery. And I'm quite surprised by one thing is about my brother, who's 6.5 years younger to me. As you know, as eldest sister, I always used to think that it's on me, that I have to take care of my family, and I have to be there available all the time. But I think my younger one has taken over that position, and I'm quite happy. Honestly, couple of years ago I used to think that he's too young to take care of all such things, but I think he's done it. So yes, he's grown up. He took charge of everything, and I could do whatever I could do from sitting here from Dubai. I could create leads, ask people for oxygen cylinders, for refilling cylinders, but he was the one who was doing all the mehnat. Who was running all the way here and there to get everything on board. So now dad is at home, and we have everything possible that we need at home, which is nebulizer, we have oxygen cylinder, we have concentrator, and all the medicines are at home, so that even if there is an emergency, he can handle it well. So yes, that's a quick update on my family on COVID-19. So please do not step out of the house. That's most important. And today's video is going to be about what I do to earn my livelihood. So most of you already know that I have been in HR. I've been in HR industry for long, and it's been 13 years that I've been a part of the HR industry. And before moving on to Dubai, I was working as a senior HR person in one of the leading digital design and innovation company. So my experience with HR has been phenomenal. I am not going to go career by career that how I stepped up the ladder and how I reached where I am, but as I got into the career frame, as I got into the job mode, the doors started opening for me. Of course, there have been a lot of challenges. I have done pretty okay in my career, and I would like to give that moment of appreciation to my mom, who pushed me hard enough to be independent, being financially independent, being socially independent, and thinking wise also being independent. And the more people you meet, the more independent or more thoughts or more ideas come to your mind. And the second credit I want to give it to my husband Chandeep, who's been pushing me too hard to do what I am doing right now, right on this date. So the journey is, of course, with a lot of ups and downs. My last career, my last job, I would rather say, was very, very impactful, was very was full of challenges. It taught me the skills of being a leader. Of course, HR तो मैं पहले से ही थी. HR के बारे में मुझे बहुत कुछ पता था. 10 साल से मैं HR करती आ रही थी, तो HR के बारे में मुझे बहुत कुछ पता था. But the last 2.5 years, I grew myself as a leader. And I would like to give that credit to all the leadership group of that company. Thanks to each one of you who've grown me what I am today. So my HR journey is great. I used to earn my livelihood until March 2021. So while I was moving to Dubai, I had all the options to either stay with that organization or move on. And after a lot of contemplation, I decided to move on because of XYZ factors. Of course, I'm in Dubai. There's not a lot of difference. It's just a 1.5 hour difference. We are behind 1.5 hours, and it was okay to manage all of that. But I think it this time from March until April gave me a lot of time of thinking that what actually I want to do in life. Until I was doing job, I always wanted to do job. I think there is still some idea in my mind that I want to continue with my job, but now I'm not doing job anymore. I am now a part of my husband's business named Goodly. So he runs his own company named Goodly, and he has inclination towards data automation, and he loves doing that. And there is another wing which is called presentation consulting wing, which he was never interested in, but I was always interested in. So I've picked up that, and it's a hard journey, guys. To pick up something which is similar to what your profession is, but it is a different stream. It's a parallel stream. In HR, of course, you have to prepare a lot of impactful decks, but here the presentation consulting is about giving what client wants, and it is all about your intelligence, that how well you can deliver that what client wants. Having said that, let me tell you one thing very clearly. Presentation consulting is not just about cleaning the presentation, or beautifying the presentation, or making it visually effective. It is about content. I think 85 to 90% of the presentation consulting is about the content, is about the audience that content is going to go to, is about what is the outcome of that content going to be. It is not about, I will not say it is not about animations or color palettes or beautifications. A complete package. It is about a complete package. So the visualizations are about 15% to 10%, and they can be grabbed or learned easily, but content creation is not good. Content creation is very difficult. So yes, that's what I do these days. I'm building up my skills. That's what I have started picking up. My HR journey has been quite beautiful. I have earned a pretty decent amount of respect, and a lot of friends, a lot of colleagues that I am in touch with till today. And I think that's what is more important when you're HR, or when you're into job, that people do recognize you by your work. So yeah, I think I've done some bit good, and people do reach out to me till date. Of course, there have been a lot of goof ups that I have done in my life. I would not say that I have just got all the ups in my life. I've got a lot of goof ups. I made some wrong decisions in my life on choosing a job, or choosing a career. But I think all went well. As you say that all well at the end if it goes well. I mean, yeah. So everything went on fine, and I'm quite blessed, and quite thankful to God that whatever challenges I have received in life, or whatever challenges have come through my way, I have overcome those challenges, I have overcome those failures, and now I am good to go with those challenges and failures. And now I am here, not at all Vela, to be honest, not at all. I am not free at all. There are three things that I do, which is, of course, building presentation skills, because as I said, it's not easy, it's very difficult. I consider myself as a fresher, though I have done some consulting work in my job days also, where I have done some consulting and presentation work for some of the clients, of course with the help of Chandeep. Now Chandeep is still going to help me a bit, but I would rather not take his help and build this and take this wing forward. So I do a lot of research, and I do read a lot of about presentations, how to build content, and how content is important. Of course, I also read about a lot of visuals effect, that what is it that will make it more impactful, uh, in design wise and in content wise, rather than just some elements coming all over the place. So that's what I do. The second thing, of course, is that I make YouTube videos. This I have not started making YouTube videos from this year. My first video came out on 26th January this year, but I have been making a lot of videos prior to publishing them, or putting them on the channel. I started making YouTube videos. No, I started making videos while I was preparing myself for moving from India to Dubai, and that's where I started shooting. It didn't come out well that it should be published, or second thought was that I don't want to start with a bad note, or with a lot of emotional drama into it, that I'm leaving my country, my bags are getting packed, and we are uprooting everything. So I decided on that I will not shoot those videos or edit those videos and put on my YouTube channel. But yes, here I am. YouTube is not just about producing videos. It involves a lot of content creation. It involves a lot of thoughtfulness. It involves a lot of editing, learning editing is the biggest part. I'm still learning. I do read a lot about how to make YouTube videos, what are the kind of content you should produce. So that's the second thing that I do, which is learning a lot about creating videos, learning a lot about how to try and engage people. But the more I make, the more I'll continue to do that, and I just need your support to make my channel grow. So please share the videos as much as you can. Give a thumbs up, give like. Please subscribe to the channel. There's a red button just beneath the video. Subscribe to it. Hit a bell button so that you're aware that there is a new video published. And the third thing that I am doing these days is upskilling my skills in reading. Now I have picked up reading again. It gives me a content, it gives me a lot of things to talk about. It increases my vocabulary, it increases good lines, gives me good lines. At times it also gives me good punches to put that on my video. So the last book that I read was Homo Sapiens from Yuval Noah Harari. And the book that I'm reading right now is Why We Sleep from Matthew Walker. This is a very interesting book. I have just read 60 pages so far, and it is a must read, guys. ये आपके दिमाग के चक्षु खोल देगा, to say it like that. So please read. So these are the three things that I do. Of course I do earn some money. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं सिर्फ अपने आप को अपस्किल कर रही हूँ और पैसे नहीं कमा रही हूँ. Of course I do earn some money. Having said that, I am not earning what I was earning until March 2021. But one thing that I have learned hard way, and Chandeep has been trying to put it in my head, is that keep building your skills. Money will follow. And I truly believe that now. Until 3 years ago, I used to think that नहीं यार मुझे पैसे कमाने हैं, बस यही करियर का मतलब पैसे कमाना है, but that's not how it is. It took me a lot to understand this, that if you do good work, if you produce good content, if you produce good presentation skills, or if you produce good code, money will follow. I mean, who's going to stop you? No one. Your work will get recognized, you will get recognized, you will be respected, uh, at office, at your workplace, at your home, in your society, in your industry, and money will follow. I'm sure I'll get back to track. A lot of you must be thinking that why am I not now doing a job after having, such rich experience of about 13 years? There are primarily three reasons of not doing a job. Is one, that my inclination of doing presentation tech or consulting of presentation has increased over time. I know it's hard, I know it's difficult, but it has been pushing me to do that. And this is not, I will not make one presentation now, or a couple of I will not start building those presentations now. I have a prior experience of delivering presentations to clients, so not to my offices or not at my workplace, but also to clients. And second reason is that of course, when you do your own thing, you do tend to earn some extra money, and you do tend to do it at your own will. If I want to pick up a project, or if I want to pick up a presentation consulting, I will pick it up. If I don't want to pick it up, I will not pick it up. And I can do it the way I want to do it. Of course, I can choose the time that I want to do, and I am the boss of myself. No one is going to take care or dictate me what is it that I need to do. And the third thing, which is that my son is growing up, and he is now getting into the age, I know he's very young, he'll turn 5 very soon, but this is the age where he'll start picking up things, or start understanding things, and I want some time to be with him. I have not spent a lot of time with him since the time he's born, and now I think that it's time for me to spend some time with him. Having said that, I'm quite ambitious. I will not let my work go away, so I will have to balance it, and I'm sure we girls are good enough to do multitasking and balance our professional and personal life in a better way. So yes, this is what I do, and if you have been thinking of doing something great, please pick it up. I know a lot of my friends and my colleagues have started doing some or the other thing. If they're watching it, I know who am I talking about. Apart from their job, they have also picked up tasks which they really want to pursue or which they're good at. So pick up something apart from your job. Times are not going to be same forever. So yes, that is it. I am sure this is a lot of gyan. There was a lot of gyan, of course, in it, and about some career side of me as well, or some information about me as well. So I hope you really liked it, and keep watching. Wait for my next video. Take care. Please do not step out of the house. I know I have said it many times, but I will continue to say that. Please take care of yourself. Please be safe. Wait for my next video, and until then, please take care of yourself. Take care. Bye bye.